Kiram no ngana ki bot lo pili da pagamento.
Another question. I don't know whether I heard properly, but I thought you said that there was massive child abductions, forced marriages to rebel leaders, and yet in the same breath, you seem to have informed court that in the conduct of your research, there were no sexual ravaging of women and girls, or I didn't get you clearly.
No, but I don't know what?
Sexual ravaging of women and girls. I didn't want to use the word rape and defilement.
You know what I mean? I'm over my phone. And locum Numudano, the mean Dano key, the better, but L.R.A. attack me, Mon, yet attack, you don't better get down attack. They love it,
I can't get that contradiction. I not understood at all. Sorry.
What I said is
I don't feel any contradiction in what I've written.
You don't get the contradiction.
Because it can clearly be shown which page and whatnot so that I can understand.
No, this is when you were answering some question, when you said that you did not get instances of rape and instances of defilement.
I did not personally experience. Maybe that's what I wanted to say.
You cannot experience rape.
No, the incidents. The incidents.
Incidents?
Yes.
You did not encounter any?
I did not. That's
but
what
how
I was
about
trying to explain.
Forced marriages?
Forced marriages in terms of the context, in the context of the conflict. Yes, they were there. Yes.
Dino down to that one, when you make it down.
Information for that.
Dino down to that one.
And even some women I interviewed who came from, and they up to now are clamoring that it was because of those commanders that you see me surviving. They had protected me very well. Initially, they forced me into this activity. Initially, it was rape. Then eventually, when they stayed, they became like a couple, a normal couple. Up to now, they are there even here, saying, if it had not been because of this man here, I wouldn't have survived the Bush war.
Dino Dano, mi beru kisho tak ko beru katine ma wai chawa ni kai ruat ta kimon mo kai ne wa gi wachi bene ni la boy la diet mon ni ko dong ana pere ya da kong mi ai chak ne no beru kai tak ka dong la chiam ma dong bari dong wa cha beru ka chia cha la cho ke da.
That's all.
Okay, I think with that the witness will be discharged. Remember that the Victims' Council is filing an application. If it becomes necessary to recall you, you will be recalled for examination. If it is necessary, you will be recalled for examination by the Victims' Council. I have also, that's it.
Chaden man non ke wa no chere Anthony Robert King ni la pila ma tika chung pi jomo no awon e karme ko ni tika kelo ko ne ma chi ka kor no ni meta ni yer ke luan chi an ke biluam ne.
My lords, Kalebaraka, I was just seeking guidance on how now we move forward. At what point in time do we have this application before your lordships and for our consideration?
You mean timelines?
Timelines, yes, my lords.
Mr. Laka and all the other council will advise you on the timelines. We'll be advising you on the timelines because we had set only 2 weeks for this session. So we'll be advising you on what the timelines are and also on when you will be receiving the ruling on this particular issue.
Có bên mình nó bên bề cả nhiều nó cả đấy ngò mà bên tên này đã cái bên bề cả nhiều ngò đó nó cái nó cái cùng lọc mình cái nó biếng cái.
My Lord, we have more witnesses, but we wish to request this court for a status conference because these witnesses have been under protection following an order of the pre-trial judge. We feel there is need to review these measures at this point following concerns coming from them. Come up with the best measures for protecting them at this time as they give their testimony in court, my Lord. My Lord, these witnesses are on a list, but under pseudonyms. We have C11 and H29.
Well, what do you want to review? I thought the protective measures have been spelled out. Do you want them adjusted?
Yes, my Lord.
Because we are not going to proceed now, it's already 5:30.
Much obliged, my Lord. We are not going to proceed now. We can agree with the register. We informed her today, but we don't know what facilities are available now.
Because as you know, Mr. Biansi, before we started, you were advised that this court has put in place a number of measures to receive the evidence of protected witnesses. So you just need to advise her which of those are most appropriate for these particular witnesses, and then when we come tomorrow at 9, we are ready to proceed.
What the prosecution is concerned about is if the defense is okay with the protection measures that we are going to put in place.
But that was a directive. It's an order of court. Protection is an order of court.
Yes, my Lord.
So the order of court, unless it is varied or set aside, stands.
Donc, le pays đã phải làm tại cái này này, chả đen mà cái tích chung, mà cái tích biên nó mới nhiều.
My Lord, the rules that force him to give the trial panel, trial court, room to review those measures, depending on what is prevailing at the moment.
So you wanted to meet the panel now, so that they have sufficient time.
My Lord, if it is possible, we'll meet now so that we agree on what can be put in place and what is possible and what is not possible. Tomorrow we come ready to start in the morning.
Leur matière, non?
Remember, Mr. Jan, also that we can't talk much about the
Yes, my Lord.
That's why I was trying to make it obvious reasons.
Much obliged, my Lord.
But if you're saying you want to meet the panel right now, that can be done in the chamber.
Much obliged, my Lord, that is better.
If it's still an urgent matter,
Bring it out when
My Lord, there is also an end reduction. Reduction is not correct. The rules provide for an end reduction. So they must also reveal to us in writing who the witnesses are before the trial. That's the law.
Người có mình nhưng chả đen nó.
coming up.
My Lord, these ones we can all address them in chamber since they are to deal with witnesses. much obliged.
This court is adjourned.
This is open, it's introductory. That's the show.
You check your name.
They gave her that copy. They gave her that copy.
Check your WhatsApp.
That's the show.